and I'm so happy I'm here with you today. How are you doing today? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you angry? I hope all of you are happy today because we are going to see many nice and great things together. So let's go? Well, before we start, I have a question for you. Tell me, what's the weather like today? Is it sunny or cold? Go, check in the window and come back to tell me. I'm waiting for you. What? Oh, nice. It's a very nice day to talk in English. So let's go on. Well, to start the class today, let me ask you something. Do you like animals? I love animals and I love pets. It's very nice to have a pet. My mommy, she has a green parrot. It's so nice. Look, it's green. Let's practice this. Say, it's green. Good job. The parrot is very smart. This animal can be a pet, and this animal can repeat the words like we do here. It's very interesting, isn't it? All right, so let's go on. I have a dog. This is my pet, and the dog makes roof, roof. It's so nice, yes? I love my dog. This is my friend. It's so nice to play with my dog. And you, tell me, do you have a pet? Do you have a dog? Let's practice this. Look, repeat after me. This is a dog. Great. And what is the color of this dog? Great. So let's practice it. This dog is black and white. This dog has two colors. Amazing. I love my dog. So, just like us, the dogs, they have families. And we are going to play a game. Let's go. Look, in this game, you are going to connect the dogs and their families. Let's go. I'm sure you can do it. So follow me. Okay, so this is a dog. What's the correct family to connect him? Yes, that's it. Good job. Now that you did this activity, we are going to practice much more. I love when I talk about pets, and I love dogs. It's very nice to have a dog. Well, so let's go on. Now you are going to call your mommy and daddy. Agora é com vocês. Juntos, vocês vão imprimir a atividade que eu enviei por e-mail e vão realizar a colagem e o recorte para decorar o dog que vem na imagem. Vai ser muito legal. Tenho certeza que vocês vão se divertir muito. E não se esqueçam, Fique em casa, já já estaremos juntinhos pra gente brincar muito mais. Kiss in your hearts. See you, my friends. Bye bye.